Now we have, this little friend should take care of our problems. Cruise around too, yeah, that should do it. Close this little something in there. Of course, that's just hot and sticky. Let's try this. There we go. I should take care of that. Oof, nice and toasty. There we go. We should be good to go. Let's see here. The problem with having plastic calipers is that really the only thing they're good for is measuring. You can't scribe anything with them. You have to use them for their intended purpose. Let's see how terrible this thing looks. Oh, we actually got a line on here. Move to 3.12. The non-locking plastic calipers. Doesn't get too much better than mine now, does it? Oh yeah, there we go. See those two lines in there? Right. I can't even see them. There we go, right there. We'll just split the difference in between the two. Time for some bandsaw action. Move this grinder over there. Love the calipers to go there. Aha! There's our bandsaw. Let me move you to the other side. Oh, blind. It helps refocus it, I guess, doesn't it? Look at that. Perfectly straight cut. Wow. There we go. Now do you have 3.04? Just 3.04 on the top, 3.04 on the top, 3.04 on the top. 2.94. This is going to be 3.05. Oh, 3.07? Okay. Well. Now it's time for the good old-fashioned file. Let's see, what's that for me flash? There we go. Is that still focused? Let me zoom in a little bit. Turn this wonderful light off too. Now we're talking. The camera door over here. Aha! The camera door has been successfully moved. Now we're talking. Okie doke. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Okie doke. Wow, look at that. Now we have a nice rounded, just lovely piece of metal here. And we'll be here for a little while. I think it's time for turbo speed. Oh, we're getting there. Almost.